Hello students, we will start the chemical properties of the phenol. So phenol, benzene with OH, that is called as phenol, react with a zinc, it form a benzene with ZNO. Okay, these things you can write down in your own words also. How you can write down in your own words? When the phenol is react with the zinc, it form an benzene and zinc oxide. Like this you can write down. Theoretically you can write down in your copy. Reaction with NaOH means sodium hydroxide. Phenol when react with NaOH, it form here ONA plus H2O. Now third is reduction may takes place when phenol is react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst and heating process is given. Formation takes place as called as cyclohexane. That is here benzene ring is not there, it is not showing the benzene na. OH group is present here. Next is reaction with CH3COCl. Okay, so 1 minute. This reaction may also be said to as Friis rearrangement reaction. As before we have done the reactions na, Cannizzaro reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. So one reaction this coming from here also, Friis rearrangement reaction. So here phenol is react with CH3 carboxylic group with Cl, form HCl and it form as OC double bond OCH3. Ester formation takes place with the phenyl ester ethionate and with phenyl. And in the presence of AlCl3, it form here OH phenol and carboxylic group will present here. So here we can say it is Friis rearrangement reaction. Okay, so this is a one type of reaction is also be there. Okay, next is a reaction with RMGX. R means R that we are using a methyl group or any group we can use. So here CH3MgCl with phenol react with CH4 to form CH4 plus O. Here it will form OMgCl or we can say MgOCl it will form. This reaction is very important of phenol. One is Reamer-Teamer reaction. This reaction I am giving after this, when the reaction will takes place I will give also. When phenol is heated with chloroform, this is phenol is react with this CHCl3 and NaOH. What we will got? We got in the presence of the heat, we got salicylic aldehyde. Now you can see here, phenol group is there with the carboxylic. What the thing left? NaCl and H2O. So it forms as salicylic aldehyde. Now next is second part of Reamer-Teamer. Phenol react with CCl4 with 4NaOH in the presence of heat. It is said to be the OH here carboxylic group COOH plus 4NaCl and 2H2O. So what we can say, this is said to be the salicylic acid. What is this? Salicylic acid, and this thing is used in a painkiller. Painkiller means formation of aspirin. Aspirin, when the painkiller we are eating in a painkiller, in some painkiller aspirin chemical substance is there that we are adding. Okay, so in this one aspirin is added and it form a salicylic acid. So understood this thing to all. So these are the reactions also which we have given before, Friedel-Crafts reaction, like that type of reaction. So this also form a reaction, but this is also in a phenol group. Important one, that is a Kolbas reaction. This is also a reaction. If we will ask what is a Reamer-Teamer reaction, what is Kolbas reaction, in conversion we are doing na in the reaction side. So these are the reactions you can write down in copy also when you are writing the phenol 1 chapter, and these reactions you can write in the reaction 1 copy also. Okay, Kolbas reaction, when sodium salt of phenol is heated with CO2. Okay, at about 6 to 7 atmospheric pressure, we got sodium silicate. Now beta, you can see a sodium salt of phenol. Now see here, sodium salt, sodium salt with carbon dioxide we are using at the atmospheric pressure 6 to 7. We are giving a heating process, and here it form here OH, when we are using these things, it forms as OHCOONA, and it is said to be a sodium silicate with H positive and form as OH group with C double bond O. Okay, this is a salicylic acid. Now, aspirin word I have said to you about aspirin. So, how is preparation of the aspirin? Preparation of the aspirin is done when salicylic acid. So, this is a salicylic acid. Now, here OH is here, C double OH will come here. Don't be confused, beta. Here C double OH will come. Okay. So, C double OH, this is the salicylic acid. Is acetylide, we get aspirin. When we are react with these things, CH3CO whole twice O, and it form heating process, it form as 2-acetoxy-benzoic acid. This is aspirin. This is O. C double bond O means carboxylic acid. In a carboxylic acid, CH3 is there, it forms C double OH. Reaction with salicylic acid with methanol. Here again OH is present with CH3OH heating process giving us CH3H2O. This is formed as methyl salicate, and this is also said to be it is also a painkiller, and it is said to be the oil of wintergreen. Till here you can complete it. Next lecture I will start afterwards. Thank you, students.